Before 1985, the legislation was that a child victim, a young person that came into court to testify, had to have corroborating evidence. So there had to be some kind of eyewitness, or forensic evidence that something had happened to the child.
They did not accept the evidence of the child on their own. You see, adults have a perception that they would not be able to rely on us, or that we just couldn't do it, come in and talk about something that had happened to us.
It is the opinion of these children that we have something to say, and what we have to say is pretty important. It's about taking care of ourselves and telling our story. This is Amanda. She called my mom to tell us we could visit.
Hi, Leanne. This is Amanda calling from the Child Witness Center. How are you? I was contacting you since we received the form that Constable McDonald gave you the day that you met with him. I just wanted to let you know that we're here to help you and your son through the entire court process. If the accused decides to plead not guilty, then there will be a trial date set, and we can set up a meeting between your son and yourself and the Crown Attorney just to go over his testimony. We'll also meet with your son to explain the court process to him and what he can expect and any concerns he may have about testifying, and we also go to trial with him on the day of court.
Hi there, come on in. My name's
Joy is
Joanne.
my coordinator. She's very nice. She told me that the judge is not going to yell at me like Judge Judy does.
I just wanted to let you know that I know that you've been in this room before. Do you remember being here before?
I was here with Officer McDonald to tell him what happened.
Okay, well, you were here with Officer McDonald. You were videotaped. You remember Officer McDonald told you you were being videotaped? That's good. And later on, before you go to talk to the judge, you'll get to see your videotape again. Okay, so here's the chair here. If I said that was the judge's chair, can you put the judge in his chair?
I know everything. The judge goes here.
Okay, and do you know who sits beside the judge?
I sit right beside the judge, right?
You're right. Yeah, they don't sit very well. That's okay. And here we need a court reporter. And a court clerk. We need a court clerk. Or this book here. Do you know what that is?
The judge is going to ask me if I know what telling the truth is. Truth is what really happened. A lie is something that's not true.
So what do you think? What do you think it looks like up there?
I see ya.
You're right. The judge can see everything. Okay? We want to find out where everybody sits when they're in the courtroom.
Okay.
Who sits here?
The Crown Attorney.
Yep. Then who sits here?
The police officer.
That's right, Constable McDonald. And who sits over here?
The defense lawyer.
Uh-huh. And you know who's going to be here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we'll talk about that. And who works closest to the judge? Who's going to be there?
Court reporter.
Yeah. And over here?
The court clerk.
Okay. Now, where should Mom sit?
Close to me.
Right over here?
Yeah,
so
right
that
there.
You can see her while you're in the witness stand?
For sure.
Very good. Okay, the judge is ready.
Now?
Okay, let's go. You gonna give Mom a hug?
Yeah.
Okay.
All rise. Court is now in session. Your Honor, we are dealing with the matter of the accused, John
Is
Smith.
the Crown ready to proceed?
Your Honor, the Crown is
You are
proceeding by
subpoenaed to be
indictment.
a witness. I'm asking you to leave the
Mr.
courtroom.
Smith, you are
and wait
charged
outside
on
until
or
your
about
name
the
is
first day of December 2003 and the
The
29th
identity
day
of the victim
April
or any information that could disclose their identity shall not be published in any document or be broadcast. Do you have anything to say?
No, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I would like to call our first witness.
All rise. Court is adjourned.
You know that the judge knows what happened to you. Now the judge would like to know about your feelings. So we're going to write them down in words.
Like a letter?
that? Like a letter to the judge.
Dear Judge, I feel okay. Sometimes I don't like talking about things, but my mom says that's okay too. It's sad to keep a secret, but I didn't think they would believe me. It's good to let my mom know because she knows. He can't hurt anyone else, and he should get some help. I go to school and have friends. I like video games, watching movies, and eating Freezy. I'm not afraid anymore.